Hello, this is Michael Baker here at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. The vehicle we're looking at today is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon hardtop. It is stock number CP15875T. This thing is bad. This is a bad Jeep, very tastefully done with some upgrades. Up front you can see the signature Rubicon red tow hooks, fog lights installed. I love the grille. It's the custom Angry Eyes grille with bars on the headlights there, and a lot of these grills that they put on are black. This one's painted to match the body color, just like how the fenders and hardtop are painted as well. If we take a look at the side here, they even have the accents for the turn signals. This has aftermarket 20-inch black wheels, 35-inch tires. Very aggressive looking wheels, very sharp on this. Take a peek inside. Black leather interior, Rubicon stitching on the seats. Turn our attention to the top. It does have the sound bar on there, as well as the sound dampening headliner inserts on the removable hardtop. It is a 3-piece removable hardtop. There's your Rubicon off-road controls. All right, inside you can see this has 35,627 miles. Have the navigation, CD, AM, FM radio with your 3.5 auxiliary jack, power windows, power locks, heated seats, four-wheel drive control, as well as your shifter. It is an automatic. Great interior, very clean. The previous owner of this Jeep took great care of it. I love the granite paint job. The Wranglers, I love when the fenders, hardtop, and everything's painted to match. Tires are in excellent condition, look basically new. Around back we have a full-size spare. The aftermarket rim as well on the back here. Nice dual exhaust. Nothing wrong with this body, no imperfections anywhere. Paint is in excellent condition. Tires, rims, everything on this is fantastic looking. It's a really sharp Wrangler we have in here. If you want to come take a look, please come see us. My name is Michael Baker here at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Piqua, Ohio.